I feel like I need to block everything out and stay focused on my goals. Take over the globe.
In a different mind state. I'm playing for keys like in the streets, I want it my way. Hey, fuck that state, we eating beef, we know that crime pay. They say we dogs and every dog gon' have his dying day. Rockin' that demon SRT, that big is sideways.
A lot of you have been asking me to vlog more, so today we're gonna do just that. Now the only thing is, I have no idea how this video is gonna go. All I know is that I'm going to a car meet to link up with a bunch of different Trackhawks, and then from there, I don't know what's gonna happen. And that's kind of the thing with vlogging, is it's not really planned. You kind of just wing it and just go on with your day. And some of you like that. I personally think that's too dysfunctional. I kind of like a whole video planned, but some of the best videos are the ones that you don't really plan for. I miss driving this bad boy. That wine is just so addictive. Oh, they didn't let me shift. Let me shift it now. Oh my God. I'm not even on it for real. Should I just... Alright, let's do it. Oh my God. That was like a 4th gear pull and it's still pulling. What up, my boy?
Bro, you're 6 hours late.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you is, bro. Everybody leaving. I'm about to go.
Where are you guys going?
I gotta pick my auntie up from the airport, but I'm coming back out though.
Is everybody going home?
Not yet. I mean, obviously Josh's still here, but no, but you are late. Everybody was literally leaving.
So I guess I'm late. I know I'm late. I'm not surprised, but I thought this meet was from 12 to 3. It's 2:20 right now, so I am a little bit late. So we're gonna get out of here, and we got a 720S right there. That thing is nice. Look at that. Wow. Love that orange. But anyways, like I said, we're gonna get out of here. Josh, I believe, is gonna meet us up later, but we're gonna go meet up with Shay. I don't know if you guys know who Shay V is. He's on YouTube. He's, I believe, from Chicago. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. Look at all this traffic, man. I am so sick and tired of the fucking traffic. The cops had to show up because everyone was doing burnouts. So now they're here just chilling. Coming to this meet was a big waste of time. Literally, I wasted like 2 hours of my day. We finally linked up with the boys. Let's go check out the cars. We got one Trackhawk right here, the blue one. And we got the orange one. Look at that. So everyone got their hoods off except me. I really like this. Satin orange. You got the carbon fiber Hawk. And then we got this right here. Love the Chargers. Slammed. Blue everything. Blue stripes. Blue badges. Blue brakes. Look at those brakes. Wow. And then you got the big Hellcat symbol in blue. Even his lights are blue. This thing is nice. So this is a wide body. Look at that. It is way wider than mine. I mean, you can see right there. I thought about wide bodying mine, but I don't know. Maybe one day. And then this is mine. And then I want to show you guys these tips. He got 5-inch Corsa tips. So he has a whole new fender with vents right there, where this is like the normal Trackhawk, and then this is a wide body. I really have no idea what we're gonna be doing today.
We finna go to the trenches with the hoods off, but he ain't take the hood off.
I know, bro. I didn't have time. My bad.
But we still finna be outside. Bro.
So you're gonna go to the hood without a hood?
And almost get shot. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Oh, I ain't doing like that. We finna go to the
hood without a hood.
Oh
yeah.
God.
We're back.
What's up, buddy?
I thought you had some like duties to go to.
I did already.
Oh,
I told you how to drop my auntie off.
Oh, okay. Well, you're back outside. Let's do it. This guy got the tire lettering with his Instagram name on there.
I ain't taking no change.
Look at that track off. Look, get a look.
It's another track. It got 4Gs too.
Oh my God, they're attacking a random Jeep.
I don't know what's going on.
Here, there's probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 Trackhawks, and 1 Hellcat.
So look, y'all, all the Trackhawk owners finna put their keys on the ground. We finna spin a bottle. Whoever key it land on, they gotta pull their fuse in the trenches and do a burnout.
Oh yeah, come on, let's play right now.
Where are your keys at?
I might have one in my car.
I'm finna leave.
He's not participating.
I'm finna go.
So there's only 1 key. I forgot my key at home.
Put them in a circle.
I'm about to say we missing
Put him in a circle.
We missing some keys.
Put them in a circle.
Go ahead.
Put them in a circle.
Got it, bro. No, put your keys in. Put your keys in, man. What y'all doing?
8 tracks out here.
Bro, it's not 3 Trackhawks here.
It's 8 tracks, 3 keys.
I'll break my shit if I did a burnout though.
There you go.
Come on! That's another Trackhawk key. Come on, Jay, put your keys. Hey,
I got a key still.
Hey, 2 more keys.
Jay.
Come on, man. Put y'all shit
Jay,
down.
keys.
I got 2 Trackhawks.
Just put y'all shit down.
Put your key.
Everybody got that key down but him, bro. He playing.
Come on, cuz.
All right, look.
Yeah.
Circle. Look. Damn, let's go. In a circle.
Yeah.
Be all right. Shit.
Man, I'm gonna just start a car, man.
All right, look. Here we go. Here we go. You
All
ready?
right, come on. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
He took the keys. And we got this. We got so many Hellcats here, bro. We got like 10 different Hellcats.
Here you go. Yes, sir.
We gotta go to the intersection.
We sliding Charlie. Everything here sliding, actually.
That's the fuse.
Your fuse right there.
We gotta go to the intersection now. Oh, don't throw that. Don't throw that.
Break it, goddamn.
Don't throw that.
They're about to slide the Jeep.
My real different be cooked if you do that.
Yeah, everything's cooked when you do that. He went over there.
That's right. All they got.
1, 2, 3, 4. We got all the Trackhawks, and they're gonna be sliding. We gotta run all the way down there. Look, they can't catch up.
Nobody in the middle.
Oh yeah.
Hey, you almost got smacked. You survived that new hand. Oh yeah, that's hard.
That nigga brick and slide anything, nigga.
That's
My nigga
hard.
brick and slide anything, nigga.
That's hard.
Hey, that was
That's
hard.
hard.
That was hard.
That's hard.
That made me want to do it too, guys.
My God, that was good. Man, you almost got cooked, bro.
Oh, Faye.
Man, you're about to call an ambulance.
No, Faye, this like
And then you tried to take me out with you.
No, Faye.
Oh my God. What is that noise? You hear that noise? What is that noise? What, hey, was that sound there before?
I don't know.
It's like making a weird sound. Yeah, it might be too much power for this thing. He took his fuse out, turned traction off, but I think he left stability on. That's why it's not getting sideways. Okay, that's hard. That's hard. Okay.
It keeps shifting by itself.
Is it a manual?
Yeah, it keeps shifting by itself though.
Woo! Look at that.
They need to make Trackhawks real drive.
Yeah, what?
Yeah, we're in Mexico, for real. We're in the hood part of Mexico.
No DPD, we good.
Better than the Trackhawk somehow, man. Hey.
Too much power.
Yeah, low key, and it keeps shifting by itself. I don't know what.
It's just rich niggas in it.
Is it upshifting?
Is it what?
It's upshifting on its own?
Yeah, it's upshifting on its own, and I'm literally downshifting it as I'm sliding.
You said they couldn't do that.
Nigga, Hellcats, nigga.
Same
So dumb, bro. You fast like driving, bro. Just get the fuck up out of here.
Alright. So this Charger got a demon motor in it. So let's see what it's gonna do. Oh yeah. He slid right around him. And he went right around him.
Bro, you on some boo-boo shit. You wasted tire. What the fuck?
That boy looking like trail in a bit.
Hell no, I be in that bitch. Oh, nerds! The nerds! Hey, nobody.
Alright, time to go that way. It is hot as a motherfucker.
It's hot over here now.
Alright, time to jump in the Hawk and take my ass home. I'm not trying to get in trouble, and you know, the cops probably got called on a bunch of times. Why is this not unlocking? Oh. Yeah. Time to get out of here, man. You gotta know when to leave, and it's time to leave. All right, we made it back home, and we got some unboxing to do. So here are all the packages we have to unbox. Obviously, we're not gonna unbox all these today, but look at all this. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a couple down there. But today we're gonna be unboxing this. package from Highboy. For those who don't know, Highboy makes some of the best electric scooters out there. And I actually already have one, but the thing about having one electric scooter is that I could only ride by myself unless a friend has one, and well, none of my friends have one, so I reached out to Highboy and had them send me another one. I got it all unboxed, and here it is, the Highboy S2 Pro electric scooter. Let me show you guys around. So you got the headlight right here, you got the screen that shows you the miles per hour, you got the brake, and then you got this. And then the cool thing about the Highboy electric scooters is that you can fold them up. Let me show you guys how that works. So just like that, boom, you fold it, and now you can take it with you wherever you want. So the S2 model is a little different than the one I already have. This one has a range of 22 miles and a top speed of 19 miles per hour, where the other scooter I have has a top speed of 22 miles per hour and a range of 46 miles. Obviously, there's a big price difference between the two, but Highboy has all type of scooters for all type of budgets, so make sure you guys go and check them out. I'll leave their link in the description below. Here are both scooters side by side. If you notice, there's a size difference, not too much, but this one is a little more affordable than this one. They're both super affordable, but you're gonna pay a little more for this because it has a lot more features. You have the lights right there. You just got more features than this one. The only thing left to do now is go out and make some friends, because I really don't have anyone I could ride these with.